So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can merge audio and video in CapCut. As you know, there is no option to merge this video with this audio. So there are only 2 steps to do it. The very first step is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. Don't worry, we're not going to install any third-party application. So you have to go to the App Store and go to this search button and right here CapCut and hit the search button. When this CapCut app appears up, you have to tap on it. And you have to first of all update your CapCut application. If your CapCut is not up to date, this may not gonna work and you may not be able to merge your audio and video in CapCut application. So after updating CapCut, you have to open it, and let me first show you the video and audio I'm going to merge. This was a WhatsApp account and this is after hacking it. Here was another WhatsApp account and here is after being hacked. Now this is the video and the audio you have just listened. Now let's merge them. What you have to do next is you have to tap on this export button available in the upper right corner of the screen, and this video will start exporting. After exporting the video, tap on this done button, and next what you have to do is you have to open CapCut again and tap on this new project and import the video that you have just exported. This was what? And this is the single video. Now let me show you the results. This was a WhatsApp account and this is after hacking it. Here was another WhatsApp account and here is after being hacked. And here you can see the audio has been merged with this video. So simple is that. Furthermore, if you want me to edit your videos or you want an editor for your videos, you can always message me on Instagram and we can work together for your projects. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.